Nastolatkowie często sądzą, że potrafią przechytrzyć wszystkich, nawet policję. Ale co dzieje się, gdy postanawiają rzucić wyzwanie funkcjonariuszom i próbują uciec?
Okay, turn around, put your hands behind your back.
Don't do it, man.
Don't do it.
You're gonna get tased.
Stop! 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 They're bailing off the freeway. They're bailing off the freeway. All occupants are running.
Oto 3 przypadki, w których nastolatkowie próbują uciec policji. W pierwszym materiale funkcjonariusze zostali wezwani do miejsca pracy chłopaka, podejrzanego o napaść na dziecko w jednym z supermarketów Walmart. Chłopak rzekomo śledził dziecko, a gdy nadarzyła się okazja, zaatakował je. Natomiast po interwencji matki zbiegł z miejsca zdarzenia. 5 miesięcy później policjanci próbowali go zatrzymać w miejscu pracy.
Does the name Josie ring a bell?
Yes.
Is he here?
Yes.
Okay. I got to talk to him. In May, we got a complaint from a parent and a young girl at the Walmart in Alaska that involves you. Anything ring a bell to that? Okay. Have you ever been at the Walmart where you got chased out of the store?
No.
No? Okay. So we've got video of you getting chased out of Walmart by a mom.
I doubt that.
Huh?
I don't.
Chłopak próbuje zachować naturalny wyraz twarzy, patrząc na swoje zdjęcie z miejsca zdarzenia. A gdy funkcjonariusz wspomina o tym, że ktoś użył jego karty w sklepie, chłopak stanowczo zaprzeczył i stwierdził, że ktoś inny musiał jej użyć. Natomiast policjant nie uwierzył w jego wersję.
Would you agree that this is you? No? Okay. Is this your truck?
Definitely not.
No? Is that something you've ever driven?
No, I don't even have a topper on my truck.
Okay.
I just send a cab.
You don't think that resembles you in the slightest? No?
I'm not gonna agree to that.
No? Okay. So we reviewed video and watched the suspect of this whole thing prior to this incident with the juvenile was inside Subway, bought a sub sandwich. Huh? No? Okay. Turn around, put your hands behind your back. Dominic, you got taser? Stop! You stop! Stop! Get on the ground!
Chłopak został oskarżony o napaść seksualną pierwszego stopnia na dziecku poniżej 13 roku życia oraz zastawianie oporu podczas aresztowania. W następnym materiale funkcjonariusze zatrzymują samochód za przekroczenie prędkości. Początkowo zatrzymanie przebiega normalnie, kierowca podaje logiczne wytłumaczenie i bez oporu przekazuje prawo jazdy. Natomiast policjanci nie wiedzą, co wydarzy się za chwilę.
I'm Officer Miller. Reason for the traffic stop is speed. Any reason for the speed?
I'm trying to get home. My little sister's at home by herself. But I was trying to get
Okay. Do you have a driver's license on you? Thank you. Any weapons at all in the car? Or? No? Okay.
Sprawa staje się podejrzana, gdy dyspozytor informuje, że tablice rejestracyjne nie pasują do pojazdu. Dodatkowo funkcjonariusz wyczuwa zapach marihuany wydobywający się z auta, więc postanawia wezwać wsparcie. Gdy funkcjonariusze podeszli do samochodu, zwracają szczególną uwagę na chłopaka siedzącego z przodu, na miejscu pasażera.
How's it going? You guys got IDs on you? You have an ID on you, partner? You don't? What's your name?
Hey man, can I get you a step?
I understand you're not driving.
Can I get you a step out real quick? Yeah. I'll explain everything to you, okay?
Hi. Really? Hi.
Hey. What's your last name, partner?
All right, man. I'm just gonna put you in handcuffs real quick. You're not under arrest, okay? You're not under arrest. Don't resist me. Don't resist me, man.
All right, what's your last name? What's that? Nicholson. Can you spell it out for me, please? You gotta speak up, man.
M-I-C-K.
S-O-N. Nicholson?
Yeah.
All right. You said Mickelson, now you're saying Mickelson.
It's Mickelson.
Spell it out for me.
M-I-C-K-E-L-S-O-N.
All right. Last time you didn't say L. I already know you're lying. I already know you're lying.
No, I said
What are we gonna do?
Oh.
Hey, he's trying to run. Hey.
Don't do it, man.
He's taking off. He's taking off. Passenger just hopped in the driver's seat. He's taking off.
Don't do it, man.
Don't do it.
You're gonna get tased.
Chłopak ucieka z pasażerką z tylniego siedzenia. Choć nie widać tego wyraźnie na nagraniu, zostaje on trafiony paralizatorem, gdy rusza autem. Natomiast daleko nie zdołał odjechać, ponieważ uderzył on w samochód na parkingu przy stacji benzynowej. Po zdarzeniu chłopak porzuca auto i zaczyna uciekać pieszo, przedzierając się przez krzaki.
Male Hispanic driver with long curly hair. There's the Grand Marquis.
West side. Give me a swap, please.
Hey, somebody get on the ground! Get on the ground! Put your hands behind your back. I don't care.
Przez większość czasu chłopak leży na ziemi i widać, że odczuwa ból spowodowany przez sondy paralizatora. W tym czasie jeden z funkcjonariuszy sprawdza jego stan, a drugi przeszukuje torbę, w której znajduje narkotyki oraz ostrą amunicję.
Frog's got the driver detained in her squad.
Detained at 65.
Where's the vehicle?
Please help me.
You're over here.
Greenbrier on the north side, 33.
It hurts. Please. Please help me.
All right, man. Why did you do that shit?
I told you. I told you.
Dispatch 1 is tased. We can get rescued to our location, please, and a supervisor.
Copy, dispatch 114, can you make Greenbrier apartment to the north side? They tased one.
No, I tried to tase him when he took off.
Copy, I'm already in route.
35, you clear for a plate.
Hey, I told you to calm down. Now look what you did. You got yourself in more trouble. All over a little bit of
Car hit by the suspect's vehicle, no injuries, clear for a plate.
It hurts so bad.
Concept.
It hurts so bad.
All right, man. You got any weapons on you?
No.
Are you injured at all?
Okay.
Where are you hurting?
My whole body hurts.
Location of that victim vehicle.
My whole body hurts, man. Can y'all please get my...
Where did you ditch that
Be the
stuff?
location where that vehicle was struck.
That's all in there. Listen, around my neck.
23 dispatch. We are on the north side of 1405
Body hurt.
16th Street. Or I'm sorry,
Keys around
Emerson.
my neck. They took
North
my
side of
girlfriend's house.
1405 Emerson.
She lived right around the corner. You hear me?
what's
We could also use another squad to check this area he ran because he probably threw something.
Can y'all help me?
33 is on her way there to help track.
Okay.
I did get him actually.
You did. This one on my arm too.
Do you have an ID anywhere?
7, what's the address you're out with?
Jesse what?
Jason.
Jason? Jason what? Jason Massey?
Alright,
So this Mickelson call you're giving me this BS. Oh, what's your last name?
Massey.
Spell it out for me.
I think that.
You just want to have rescue come to Westridge
What's your first name?
Access for them.
Jason? Jason?
I think that was the female in the car.
On the shoulder? Yeah, it was. All we're gonna have you do is step out and you pull this crap. You make it so much worse for yourself. I don't get it.
Man, listen,
I literally asked you, I said, everything's calm.
Can I tell you the truth, officer?
That would be refreshing.
I'm not from out here.
It just, are you from Illinois?
Georgia.
You're from Georgia.
I'm from here, but I live in Georgia.
What is your ID?
Okay, what's your
I
ID?
don't have an ID. I really
Never
don't.
issued
Have you ever been
state
I
arrested
just
in
got
Wisconsin?
out. I just got out.
Massey has a felony 99 for armed robbery out of Racine County Sheriff. It was entered on 9/7 of 2021.
Podczas przeszukania okolicy policja znalazła broń palną w krzakach, przez które uciekał chłopak. Kierowca otrzymał jedynie mandat za przekroczenie prędkości, a pasażerka zaprzeczyła jakiejkolwiek wiedzy o sprawie i została wypuszczona. Dla Masseya sytuacja skończyła się znacznie gorzej. Przyznał się do ucieczki, ukrycia broni oraz napadu. Został on skazany na 3,5 roku więzienia oraz dodatkowe 4 lata za napad z bronią. W następnym materiale 18-letni Tyland Parker, 19-letni James Adams i dwaj 17-letni chłopcy jechali z prędkością 50 mil na godzinę w strefie 30 mil. Funkcjonariusz próbował ich zatrzymać, ale od samego początku było oczywiste, że nie mają zamiaru tego zrobić.
It's running. It's running. It's running. Ah! Go!
Ze względu na prędkość, z jaką jechali, ich pojazd rozbił się, a nastolatkowie zrobili coś nieoczekiwanego.
Crossing the Beer Line Bridge, lots of debris coming from that car, and it looks like they're pulling over. They're pulling. They're gonna bail.
Stop! Stop! They're bailing off the freeway. They're bailing off the freeway. All occupants are running. Stop! Stop! They're jumping the freeway. They're gonna go on to buy the Holiday Inn.
Wszyscy nastolatkowie zostali w końcu zlokalizowani i aresztowani, a funkcjonariusze zaraz przekonają się, dlaczego uciekali.
He's still there. He's coming back this way. Show me your hands. Put your hands up right now. Walk towards me. Seven 744, he's with me. I got him at gunpoint.
Ain't my dick. Yeah. So I don't like motherfuckers taking me. Here, come on, you'll grab my jacket from me. Damn, bro.
All right, turn around. Put your hands behind your back.
Okay, don't do that, man. Come on.
We're just the one.
Crossing over. Riverwood. 700 Riverwood.
Going south. Peter Hospital. White shirt, black pants.
Get on the ground, man! That freeway, they got quite a backup already on 43.
Still running south. Stop! We have black male, white shirt, Adidas pants.
Stop! Stop!
Thank you.
Don't move! Hands behind your back!
I'm not moving. I got the other guy. Get out of my car.
You good? Yeah.
That's interesting, man.
Okay, man, roll over. Roll over on your side, bud.
No,
Yes.
I can't breathe.
Okay, roll over on your side. I'll get you up so you can breathe.
No,
You don't want to be on your stomach, man.
no,
Roll to your side.
help me.
Okay, ready? Roll to your side, man. Get up on your butt so you can breathe, okay? Up on your butt.
We got another one in custody.
Can you stand up?
Waste management on port.
You have anything on you that's gonna stick me, poke me, prick me?
That's one.
Any weapons?
Where's the third?
Ready? 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna pull your pants up. I'm gonna pull your pants up.
I just have a gun right here.
Where? Where? Here?
Ain't got no clip, bro.
Where's the clip? You throw it out the car?
It's in the car. There's a bunch.
It wasn't mine.
Oh, really?
They threw it.
How old are you? How old are you?
They threw it.
How old are you?
I'm 17.
17? Okay.
Out, out, out. Do it slowly, man. What's up with y'all? Why are you grabbing me like that?
Because you're just running, dude. Stop around. Stop twisting. Hey, stop twisting.
Twisting.
You are twisting.
You're holding my arm.
And I'm about to put you on the ground.
You're holding my arm extra hard. I have bone issues. Chill.
Stop
bro.
twisting. Stop twisting.
I'm not twisting.
You
You're
are.
my arm.
Leave your hands behind
What's
your
your
back.
name? What's your name?
Simon.
All right.
Stop twisting.
All right. Where the sheriff at?
Right here.
Where's the sheriff? There's nothing in my back pocket. Don't check my back pocket.
You're under arrest.
I don't get no.
So we're checking all your pockets.
10-4-3 in custody. For the last two at waste management.
I got whole bone issues, bro.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay, then stop grabbing my.
Hey, then stop twisting. Stop moving
It
away.
seemed like that when you were running. You seemed to run just fine.
Damn, bro.
Funkcjonariusze odkryli, że kierowca pojazdu ma zawieszone prawo jazdy i 2 aktywne nakazy aresztowania za posiadanie broni oraz za napad.
Tyler, come on out. We're gonna get you a ride, man. We'll get you our station. Maybe if you need some medical stuff, we can get you looked at. All right? Did I do a good job searching you?
Yeah.
I did. What'd I miss?
Well, I think my foot.
Huh?
Yeah, I got like a nail or something.
You got a nail? In which one?
On the right side.
No, he said he left his shoes in the car.
My foot, bro.
No.
Could you look and see if it's like
Well, here, why don't you sit down? Which foot? You're right?
Yeah.
Let's see.
On this one. Like a nail in the right under the front big toe.
Up here?
Yeah, right there.
There's nothing. There's nothing I feel.
All right. Devontae's gonna come over.
Yeah, he's gonna pull over for a second. I didn't miss nothing? You got any for nothing? Which gun's yours?
I don't got a gun.
Oh.
What you say?
He's gonna run you back to our station, then we can get you.
Management.
Oh, that's your charter. All right.
If you could log that.
Dude, you were running from me like 5 minutes ago.
I know, but
Just start to cramp up?
I ain't just.
Which side you want, Devontae? Other one? All right.
744 Glendale Spud. I just have one EV back.
Bro, I think my ankle.
Dude, you were just hopping fences running from me. How you that bad already?
Pozostali 3 podejrzani nie mieli nakazów ani żadnej historii kryminalnej, ale podczas incydentu funkcjonariusze odkryli broń palną oraz sporą ilość narkotyków. Tajland został oskarżony o ucieczkę z miejsca przestępstwa. Została na niego nałożona kaucja w wysokości $10,000. 19-letni James Adams został ukarany mandatem za stawianie oporu. Jeden z 17-latków został oskarżony o stawianie oporu oraz noszenie broni palnej bez zezwolenia. Drugi 17-latek został oskarżony o stawianie oporu, noszenie broni palnej bez zezwolenia oraz posiadanie narkotyków. Nie przegap poprzednich materiałów z udziałem nastolatków i zobacz, do czego jeszcze są zdolni.